The Philips brand is a very well-known name in any household, but did you know that they are present in the gaming market space? This is the Philips 325 M8C, a 32-inch curved gaming monitor that produces some of the best looking colors that I've seen from a gaming monitor. Let's check it out. As mentioned, the Philips 325 M8C is a 32-inch curved QHD VA gaming monitor. It has a refresh rate of 144Hz, 1 milliseconds response time, and supports adaptive sync, giving you a flawlessly smooth gaming experience. It's also worth noting that the monitor comes in other sizes such as 24 and 27 inches with varying resolutions and refresh rates. I'm not sure how common this is, but this monitor comes fully assembled in the box. You do not need to do anything other than taking it out of the box and plugging it in. Moving to the back of the monitor, you'll find the I/O, which consists of one display port, 2 HDMI 1.4 and 1 audio input-output. On top of the I/O is the VESA mount, which might come in handy because all the way down is the monitor stand that only supports tilting. Thankfully, being such a large monitor, the default height is pretty comfortable for me, but do know that if you wanted more adjustability, you'll probably need to use a monitor arm like this. Now let's take a look at the buttons and menu system. The quick access buttons are located at the bottom right of the monitor. Starting from the right, we have power, menu, brightness shortcut, input shortcut, and the smart image game shortcut, which gives you quick access to different gaming profiles such as FPS and racing. In the display settings, you have the typical options for configuring items such as the image, color, and on-screen display menu. Philips has also included a blue light filter, which they call low blue mode. This reduces your exposure to blue light and protects your eyesight. Going back to the display, 32-inch is pretty big, but since it's a curved display, the viewing experience is very immersive. As soon as I switched to this monitor, I was immediately blown away by the quality of the display. Thanks to its ultra-wide color range and excellent color gamut score of 100% NTSC and 120% sRGB, colors look so much more vivid than any monitor that I've used before. By the way, did you know that the sRGB score is not on a 100% scoring system? So all those 99% or 100% sRGB monitors are just marketing terms. Be an Asian like Philips, score 121%. So I've been using this monitor daily for almost a month now, and I honestly really love it. The bigger screen is really nice for productivity work, the accurate colors are great for consuming content, and the high refresh rate makes it perfect for any fast-paced games. It's truly a monitor for all use cases. The only potential downside for this monitor is its stand. However, as I mentioned just now, I'm okay with the default height, and if you need more adjustability, monitor arms are widely available now. So, what's this monitor going to cost you? About 1,179 ringgit. Honestly, having bought more expensive 27-inch monitors in the past, I think this monitor is priced really well. Keep in mind that it's a 32-inch curved display with excellent gaming features. Plus, the colors are really nice. It's like giving a treat to your eyes. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you're interested in getting this monitor, which I really think you should consider, then head to the description box below for all the purchase links. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!